Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available for you in any iPhone or Android. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your Facebook Marketplace, you see an error that Facebook Marketplace is not available for you. So let's see about some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strong network connection. And you have to go back from here, open your app store, and here you have to simply search for Facebook. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Facebook app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, go back from here, open your Facebook app, and here tap on your profile or the menu option in the bottom right corner. Select Marketplace, and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, go back from here and go for Settings and Privacy. Select Settings, select Account Center, then just tap on this Personal Details option, then select Date of Birth, and here you have to make sure that you have set it up your date of birth more than 18. Or if you don't have more than 18 date of birth, so you can easily add it or update your date of birth by tapping on this edit option. After editing, after tapping on edit, you have to simply edit your date of birth from here. And once you have updated your date of birth, your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, so you have to simply go back, open your settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for Facebook app, and you just have to try to offload your app. So it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your Facebook app. It will be fixing this tab. Simply offload your app, and after offloading, you have to reinstall that. If it's still not work for you, you have to open your Facebook app again, tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner, scroll down and you'll get the option of help and support. Tap on that and here select report a problem, then select continue to report. Then tap on this include option. Here look for marketplace, select that, and here you have to simply describe your issue. You can also include your screenshots or you can try to record screen. And after entering your issue here, simply tap on the send option in the top right corner and your report will be submitted to Facebook support team. They'll respond to you in up to 24 hours or they can directly fix your issue, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.